It was hard for us because we don't really know builders or plumbers or someone that can look after the whole project. So I gave a couple of numbers to Russ and said, you call them, but there was some not great chats on the phone. So it was like, okay, yep, that one's a no, that one's a no.
So that's why it ended up such an important thing for us to keep hunting till we felt comfortable.
Yeah.
And when they came here for that first meet and greet and speaking to them for about 20 minutes, we felt like we'd known them for 20 years. So it was a very easy choice. Once they left, we looked at each other and said, we're going with them.
Yeah.
So I think it was their enthusiasm that they had. They came into the house to have a look around. They seemed to be really encouraged and like the ideas we had for the house and what we wanted to do. And it's been a big collaboration the whole process through. Well, one thing Dean said all the way along is, I'll build your home as if it was my own. And we really feel that they've done that.
You could go to them and ask any question and be like, no, don't be silly, let's look at that. I'll come pick you up.
Well, sometimes we ummed and ahed on things and we just couldn't make a choice at first. They never pressured us or pushed us into it. They just wait for us and they always kept saying, as long as you're happy with it. And that's how we felt the whole way along. Their flexibility, as I mentioned before, you know, you change your mind or you're umming and ahhing on things. But you know, I made a mistake with the cabinetry up in the study. And I rang Dean, I said, mate, I've messed up here and it's my fault. He said, well, come meet me in the morning before work and we'll have a look and tell me what you want. So met him, and the next day I went after work, already changed and fixed. You know, it's just that kind of level that you're dealing with the whole way through, with every aspect of the build. First impressions. Dean is just this mass of energy, and it doesn't matter whether you're greeting him at 7 at night because they're bringing samples over, or you've met him at the build at 6 in the morning. He's just pumped and ready all the time, you know, and that's what made it so much easier, having Dean there and being able to, and easily being able to approach him. And Ronnie just, you keep, I felt bad because you keep changing your mind all the time. No worries, and you know it's hours more work for her to go and find another product or find a better price or find, and I feel like we've worn her out. But from day one to, well, even now, they're still smiling. So, you know, believe it or not, the place next door actually started their build on the same day as us, and they're months and months away from finishing still. So yeah, we're pretty happy with the pace and the effort and tenacity they showed just through any type of weather and everything, just to know we're on track, we've got a plan, and I'd recommend it to my best friend. And Cindy has, you know, some of her clients have already had builds and have got some going on now with them. So,
and anything small or big, they're not. I think one of my clients just had her back patio done and pool and a gatehouse, that sort of thing. Then another client's having a massive pool and half extension, they're doing that. So yeah, they cater for everybody, which is really good. It's not just a whole house renovation. So, and we've still got our pool to finish off, and we said let us get back in so the kids at least have got it for summer, and then we'll probably do that maybe in the winter time.
The only thing we can say is just meet them.
Yes,
just meet them. Just go and sit with them.
Yes.
Tell them what ideas you have.
Yep.
They might have some more back for you, or they might contribute later, but just go and sit with them. And that was the part that won it for us.
Just the conversations we have.
That initial meeting, saying g'day and just saying, you know, we'd like to get rid of this wall, and maybe do this and that, and it just rolls from there. And I think that's all you got to do with those guys, is just, you know, it's that first meeting and you won't go anywhere else, that's for sure.